Welcome to Consumer Picks. The best Wella 050 is probably one of the most talked about products in the hair care community. Today, we're diving deep into this color depositing toner to see if it lives up to the hype. We'll explore its application, the results you can expect, and who it's best suited for. Whether you're a seasoned stylist or a DIY enthusiast, this video will give you all the insights you need to decide if Wella 050 is the right choice for your hair. Number 5. COLORCHARM Permanent Hair Toners. Are you tired of unwanted brassy tones in your hair? This product is designed to neutralize those brassy hues, leaving your hair looking its best. It helps to achieve the perfect blonde shade. Want to achieve healthy-looking blonde tones? This toner will help you achieve the perfect shade. It will leave your hair looking vibrant and full of life. This product is made with a vegan formula. It's gentle on your hair and the environment. You can feel good about using it. Worried about harsh chemicals? This product is free of parabens. It's a healthier choice for your hair, ensuring it stays beautiful and strong. This is a permanent liquid hair toner. It provides long-lasting results. It's a great way to maintain your desired hair color. What we like? This toner effectively neutralizes brassiness, leaving your blonde looking fresh and vibrant. It's also vegan and free of parabens, making it a great choice for those who prioritize ethical and gentle products. If you're looking to banish unwanted yellow tones and maintain a healthy-looking blonde, you should consider this. What people say. It effectively neutralizes unwanted brassiness and yellow tones, leaving my blonde hair looking fresh, natural, and healthy. The formula is gentle and vegan, free of parabens, which I really appreciate. It's easy to apply and works quickly without drying out my hair. After using it, my blonde feels vibrant and smooth with a beautiful, cool-toned finish. I am able to achieve an ashy light blonde color. Within about a week of using the toner, my hair evens out to a nice shade. Number 4. COLORCHARM Permanent Hair Toners. Are you tired of unwanted brassy tones in your hair? This product is designed to neutralize those brassy hues, leaving your hair looking its best. It helps you achieve the perfect blonde shade. Want to achieve healthy-looking blonde tones? This toner will help you to get the perfect shade. It enhances your hair's natural beauty. This product is made with a vegan formula. It's a great choice for those who are looking for cruelty-free hair care options. This product is also free of parabens. It's a gentle formula that helps to keep your hair healthy. This is a permanent liquid hair toner. It provides long-lasting results. It's a great way to maintain your desired hair color. What we like? This toner effectively neutralizes brassiness, leaving your blonde looking fresh and vibrant. It's also vegan and free of parabens, making it a great choice for those who prioritize ethical and gentle products. If you're looking to banish unwanted yellow tones and maintain a healthy-looking blonde, you should consider this. What people say. It works great to tone the brassiness out of my blonde hair. It leaves my hair feeling soft and looking shiny. This product is a great toner and works very well. Number 3. Wella COLORCHARM Ash Blonde for Gray Coverage. Are those pesky gray hairs making you feel older than you are? This product is designed to tackle those grays head-on, providing complete and lasting coverage. It's a permanent liquid hair color. This ensures a long-lasting, vibrant color that won't fade quickly. It's a reliable solution for those seeking consistent results. The ash blonde shade offers a beautiful, natural-looking color. It's a versatile shade that complements a variety of skin tones, giving you a fresh, updated look. This product is specifically formulated for gray coverage. It penetrates the hair shaft to deposit color, ensuring every gray hair is fully covered and blended seamlessly with your natural color. Say goodbye to gray and hello to beautiful, vibrant color. This product will give you the confidence to look and feel your best. Try it today and see the difference. What we like? This permanent liquid hair color provides excellent gray coverage while delivering a beautiful ash blonde shade. It's designed for those seeking a long-lasting color solution. If you're looking for a reliable way to cover gray hairs and achieve a cool-toned blonde, you should consider this. What people say. This color is amazing, covers my gray completely, very pretty shade of blonde. It leaves my hair shiny and the treatment lasts a long time. I have long hair, so I use 2 boxes. The resulting color depends a lot on what you already have in your hair, but I've noticed that the color always turns out even. This product works as well as the more expensive name brands. Number 2. COLORCHARM Permanent Crème Hair Toner. Introducing COLORCHARM Permanent Crème Hair Toner. This toner is designed to give your hair a beautiful color. It is free of animal-derived ingredients, making it a great choice for those who prefer vegan products. You can feel good about what you're putting on your hair. This product is also parabens-free. This means it is gentle on your hair and scalp. It is gluten-free, so it is suitable for people with gluten sensitivities. Try it today. The product comes in a 2-ounce size. This is perfect for a single application or touch-ups. What we like. This crème toner is formulated without animal-derived ingredients, parabens, and gluten, making it a great choice for those with sensitivities. It offers a gentle yet effective toning experience. If you have sensitive skin or prefer products free from certain ingredients, you should consider this. What people say. It works great to tone the brassiness out of my blonde hair. It leaves my hair feeling soft and looking shiny. This product is a great toner. Number 1. L'Oréal Paris Feria Smokey Silver Hair Dye Kit. This is Feria, a permanent hair dye known for its shimmering color and edgy shades. It transforms your hair from ordinary to extraordinary with intensified, brilliant results. With over 50 bold shades, from deep blacks to smoky silver, this vegan hair dye kit is inspired by the latest trends. You can achieve salon-quality results without an appointment. The included conditioner helps repair hair bonds, keeping hair strong and healthy looking. You can see up to 40% stronger hair compared to hair not treated with the conditioner. L'Oréal Paris offers a variety of hair color options, including permanent, semi-permanent, and temporary dyes. It also provides root cover-up and lightening systems to meet your needs. L'Oréal Paris combines the latest technology with the highest quality to provide the ultimate in beauty care. They offer products for hair color, hair care, skin care, and cosmetics. What we like. This hair color delivers shimmering, multifaceted color with intensified results. The included Bonding Care Complex conditioner helps repair hair bonds, leaving hair strong and healthy looking. If you like a vibrant, multi-dimensional color and want to maintain hair strength, you should consider this. What people say. It has great coverage, even on my unbleached hair, though it's brighter on bleached hair. It also does not stain my tub when I rinse it in the shower. Woohoo! The color comes out as a soft, subtle red, and it looks especially gorgeous under sunlight, very natural and shiny, not too bold. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.